Coming up on BickdUp.
Does the steering feel better?
Yes.
Whoa, shit.
First exhaust startup.
Jesus. Okay, alright. Fuck.
Been so long back.
It's been forever. It drives straight. The wheel isn't straight, but it drives straight. It does. It does turn when you turn the wheel.
Oh my god.
Give her some beans. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we're back, baby!
Wow.
In my first start video, we did drive Casper, the WRX swap GC8, but because of some messed up suspension parts, the car didn't really turn and it was super sketchy, so no crazy driving. But this video is super exciting. Coming up is Casper's first proper maiden voyage with actual poles. We start with an open downpipe, then throw on the best sounding exhaust I've ever heard. And I even did something to unlock some turbo floater towards the end. Normally I add background music, but in this video, it wasn't necessary.
We're ready to rumble.
That was not a pole. That's so much more in it.
I know, but I don't know. The steering is fucked.
You barely hit boost though. Come on.
I know, but it's...
What you're about to see is one of my favorite videos so far, so definitely stick around. I'm a bit behind on editing, so I also want to take this as an opportunity to finally thank you guys for 100 subscribers. To show my appreciation, I bought a few new cameras and mics for better quality, though you probably won't see those upgrades until future videos. Anyways, enjoy watching us terrorize my small Midwest town with Casper, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because it's been a crazy journey so far, but we've literally only just begun. Welcome to BickdUp!
Don't you forget about me. Don't you forget about me.
Do like a little fucking breakfast club. Walk out of the garage. Yeah, let's do that. Here. Dude, that looks like I suck wiener. Look at my kneecaps.
No.
Oh yeah.
Maybe a little bit. Drop her down.
You guys ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
You got back? You got here just in time?
How's that toe look?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Remember that. Still no radiator fans.
That's fine. We'll be okay.
Oh, look at our shift knob. Pretty cool. You like that?
That's a good shift knob, dude. That's one of my favorites,
I
actually.
was just gonna say that. You like my interior?
I love this interior. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt.
Yeah, probably not a terrible idea.
Can we roll the windows down again?
Yeah.
I know that dust is just gonna be terrible.
Listen to that sound.
Does the steering feel better?
Yes.
Jesus.
Listen to that fucking whistle, dude. That's so cool.
The 3-inch open downpipe whistle.
Yeah. No, it feels good, dude. I think it's alright.
Sweet. Let's get a left turn in.
Let her warm up a little bit.
Yeah.
Dude, it's back. It's so fucking back, baby.
Oh my
It's so
God.
back!
That's a really sharp, for no front sway bar, this thing
Yeah,
is really
I know, I
sharp in the front.
Front sway bar too.
Yeah, this is no front sway bar, just top has its springs.
Go that way.
Yeah, sure. Fuck it. Why not?
Holy fuck!
Dude, this thing quick.
That was probably like the first whole-ish. What is that noise?
That's gotta be the fender in the liner.
Shit.
Yeah, pull over.
Yeah.
I guarantee you it's the liner. Oh yeah, dude. It just grabbed it and like threw it under the tire. All right, let's see it, muscle man. Rip that shit off. Fuck out of here. Oh, whoa, shit.
Oh, I'm glad you decided to record.
Rip number 2, let's go. Dude, this thing's kind of like quick, like wicked
Yeah.
quick. This thing's nasty.
Do the exhaust on it today too, you think?
Yes.
Yeah.
As cool as it sounds open down pipe,
Not great.
it sounds okay.
It does. Not
Because it's a DJ, but
the fucking turbo whistle's insane.
yes.
Look at my alignment. Holy fuck. Look at,
Dude, honestly,
look at, show this.
yeah, this is,
Look how good I did, guys.
get on the power. Bro, she's like dead straight. Your wheel is just as clocked off as it was before,
Yeah, pretty much.
you know? Temps are looking good.
Yeah, I don't have radiator fans right now,
Oh,
so
yeah.
I don't go too crazy, I think.
Gonna piss off all the pedestrians. Dude, the little kid was pointing. Did you see it?
No.
The little toddler was like pointing. I don't know if the video caught that, but. Jesus. Dude.
Oh my god.
This
It
thing's
feels
wild.
so good.
This thing is so wicked, dude.
It's so bad, dude. I feel so at home. This is awesome. It sounds like a turbo diesel.
It's, yeah.
I don't know what that was.
I was rubbing something, but I don't know what.
Been so long. It's back.
It's been forever. This thing's just chilling, dude.
I know, dude.
With no dash, but you know.
No dash, no radiator fans, no front sway bar, but whatever.
It drives straight. The wheel isn't straight, but it
turns
drives
now.
straight. It does. It does turn when you turn the wheel.
Oh my god.
Give her some beans. Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we're back, baby!
Wow.
Nothing even broke. Alignment's still open.
It's still running?
It is still running.
Nice. Dude, because of the open downpipe, you can hear the wastegate fluttering, and it sounds like it has an external wastegate, even though it's just like a factory TD04 integrated one.
Yeah. I miss this thing so much. I now I remember why. The SCI, okay, so I thought the SCI made me feel the same way. Like I thought it was like, you know, it made me feel like I was back in here, but nothing makes me feel
No.
like I'm back in here until I'm back in here. You know?
The difference is the STI feels like a fucking go-kart. Like it's a straight up race car underneath. That thing's wild. If we race them against each other right now, what do you think would win?
I don't know. Probably the SCI.
I bet the STI would, but I bet it's not by much.
No, yeah, I can't. Yeah, I know. It's gonna look tighter, but I don't want to rub on
Rev it out, boy!
that. Holy shit.
Dude, this thing rolls.
Put it in the 6?
I got you, bro.
Yeah.
This feels
The
good.
temps are still fine, too.
We're moving.
Yeah, we're moving, so it'll be okay. As soon as we stop, it's gonna be pissed. You wanna get
would love to give her a try, Micah.
Your turn.
We'll wait for the motorcyclist in this truck to pass.
Temps are still good. Bunta approves.
Oh yeah, I have my indicator on as if it's fucking doing it.
Yeah, I forgot it doesn't work. What was that?
No idea.
Okay. Holy fuck. Oh my god.
I'm excited, yeah.
I'm fucking excited too.
It's going.
First exhaust startup. Yeah. Yes.
Oh yeah. That's pretty fucking mint.
Ooh, that's nice. That's nice.
You want to hear it?
Yeah, I do. Oh my god. That is some fucking rumble, dude. That is so nice.
You want to take for a rip now?
That's a good tone.
Yeah, let's go for a rip.
Yes.
It feels substantially
You guys ready for
spicier.
this?
Jesus. Okay, all right. Fuck. Hey, did you tighten those fucking nuts?
No. No, I did not.
We should probably have
Yes, I
done that.
should.
Oh my god, this thing's fucking goofy. The noises.
Fourth gear's bad. Whoops, whoops, whoops.
Okay, let's go tighten those lug nuts.
Yeah. Ooh, very spicy, yes. Very good. Now the next step is we're gonna figure that out later. We got some options over here. Maybe that's one, maybe that's one. Well, I'm gonna leave it there for now. I tried to get the intercooler lower so I can put my hood back on, but I don't know, I might have got lucky. We'll find out later.